Good day, everyone. I'm Gabriel G. Jacob.
I'm Catherine P. Rabina.
I'm Renald L. Villanueva.
I'm Carl James B. Capa.
Our research topic is about making marketing work in a small business. We had two different products, Buko Pandan and Coffee Gel, which are one of the most popular desserts in the Philippines. These are totally delicious that would be perfect for you and will surely satisfy you.
We chose the students of National University and also the students of Nazareth School of National University as are the target market.
What is the importance of strategies in marketing? Simple. It's because plan, strategies, or technique plays a big role in business.
It provides new ideas on how will you gain more market and profit and how will you improve your business and expand it in the future.
According to Philip Kotler, marketing is the process by which an organization relates creatively, productively, and profitably to the marketplace. Thank you for listening and hope you learn a lot.